Hello everybody, today we'll talk about how to fix or how to solve Roblox game client not responding. To know how to fix Roblox game client not responding, you should just go to apps, default apps, app settings. Here in this list you'll search about Roblox. When you find this page of app info, we click on first stop and we click OK. Then we'll enter to storage. After that we click clear cache, and in the end you will go to Play Store. You will search about Roblox. You will uninstall your application, and then you can wait for a moment. Then you can install your application again to fix your problems. So please don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time in another video.